How to make pilaf. How to prepare pilaf. How to cook pilaf. In order to make pilaf, we need a big pot, kazan, and fire. We need 1 kilos of mutton or 1 kilos of beef. We need 1 kilos of rice. We need 4 units of onions, 300 grams of vegetable oil. We need 1 kilos of carrot. We need 100 grams of cumin and salt. We wash carrot and rice. Then we make fire and put the kazan on the fire and pour the oil in kazan. We peel the carrot and onion and cut them on a cutting board. Then we fry onion in the oil. Then we fry onion in the oil. Then we cut mutton and put in kazan and we mix and fry the mutton with onion. Next, we add carrot and cumin. Mix them and fry. Then we pour cold water and boil for 30 minutes. We mix rice with water and wash the rice in a bowl. Then we add the rice in kazan, boil it with carrot and garlic. We add salt. Then we close kazan with big plates. In 30 minutes we open the pilaf. Bon appetit!